Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. We have the basic data in Excel, and we need to use VLOOKUP to find details. Similarly, we use XLOOKUP to find details, and we learn how we can get remaining details by inserting ID. Like, if we insert employee ID, it will give us the related details. And same function we use in XLOOKUP. We will also discuss the drop-down function or data validation, as we only select employee ID and it gives us result, and also explains how both are different and similar. But before that, you are requested to subscribe our channel. Let's start our example. As we have the basic data of employees. First, we use VLOOKUP formula to find details. Then, we also learn XLOOKUP to find same details. So, start with our first formula, that is VLOOKUP. First, select the cell to apply formula. Use formula equals to VLOOKUP. For logical test, select employee ID cell. Now, we need to find table array. So, for table array, we select the whole data table. Then we need to column number. But before that, we need to make table array constant. So, we select the reference and press F4 to make constant. We also make logical test reference constant by F4. We need name and name is in the second column. So, we need to type here 2 for second column. Now press Enter. Now insert employee ID to test our formula. You can match our result from data. Now we need to drag formula to apply on remaining cells. But there is an issue with VLOOKUP. We need to change column number in every cell. Like department is in the third column. So we manually need to change column number. Similarly, we need to change column number for each cell. This will reduce our efficiency for multiple cells. And finally, age is in the fifth column. Now we can test our formula by changing ID. You can check result with available data. Our result only works well when we make few data constant. We can also use same formatting for accuracy as well. Or you can use Format Painter to apply same formatting. First, select the cell, then click on Format Painter option. Now click on desired cell to apply same formatting. Format Painter is very helpful for similar formatting. Now, we move to our second formula, that is XLOOKUP. Again, select the cell for formula. Use here equals to XLOOKUP. Now, for lookup value, select employee ID cell. Now make the referencing constant by F4. Now for lookup array, select employee ID column. Because employee ID cell data is in employee ID column, again we need to make constant by F4. Now for return array, we need name. We select the whole name column. Now close the bracket and press Enter. Now test our formula by inserting employee ID. Now we simply need to drag formula to apply same formula. Again, use Format Painter for accuracy formatting. Now again test our formula to find details. This is how both provides same result. Now we need to restrict our employee IDs. First, we select Employee ID cell. Now go on Data tab for Data Validation. Click on Data Validation function. Select List option from it. Click on Source Cell and select Employee ID column. Now press OK. In this way, it will restrict our data. Similarly, first select Employee ID cell. Go on Data tab for Data Validation. Click on Data Validation option. Select List option. Select Whole Employee IDs. Now test our formula and data validation function. Both formulas and functions provides similar result. In the VLOOKUP formula, we need to change column manually. But in the XLOOKUP, we does not need to change anything. Now we need to copy the formula. But before pasting it, write apostrophe mark. Similarly, copy XLOOKUP formula. Apostrophe mark that pasted. These formulas are very helpful in Excels. You can also make it bold and italic. Now, we also change available data. Both formulas will also adjust accordingly. You can see the changes in the formulas as well. We do not need to change every time. It will automatically adjust the data and existing formulas. VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP both are very powerful formulas. This is what we have learned to use both formulas. Please write in comment section if face any issue.